Now, I could do the lame ass,
always be safe with firearms and always clear your firearm while have ammunition before you practice.
fuck all that, bro. This is my carry piece, you know what I'm saying? So it's loaded, my nigga. You feel me? I'm gonna just do some draw practice in my pajamas, you know? I keep that shit on me all the time. Soon as I wake up, all that shit, nigga, you know what I'm saying? It's on me, you feel me? But we gonna go ahead and clear it for YouTube. Yeah, that thing was hot. That thing was hot. This my carry gun. Don't be scared. All right, let's move forward. Get a little draw practice in. You feel me? Let's just say I was checking the mail or some shit, or taking out the garbage, and the motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? In my pajamas on the nigga. Stop playing. One hand draw on the nigga. Stop playing. Ah, damn. Alright, that wasn't the smoothest. There we go. Yeah. Let me get my shit together. Alright. Boom. Ah, shit, bro. Baggy ass pajamas, bro. Damn. I got a decent draw. My shit ain't the best, bro. It's decent, you know. Straight up, for what it is, my shit decent. I don't give a fuck what nobody on YouTube said. I could use a little work, but my shit decent for the most part, bro. No cap. I just need a better belt, better holster and shit like that, like to make myself a little faster. That's it. And I'm gonna get a better belt and a better holster and watch I be faster. But this is all right, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's decent for like your average citizen, my nigga. Like your average citizen practicing they 2A, Second Amendment rights and all that shit, self-defense, you know what I'm saying? I'm quick enough, my nigga. Definitely quick enough. Spins.
Yo, bitch, gon' fuck the 10, cause we rich and we some steppers. Boss out with that stick, if you don't die, gon' need a pamper. Must be out your mind, pussy, we pussy on scratches. Able to spin the bench, skirt, pull off in the Tesla. Going past, he caught these bullets. Tom Brady,